Hello YouTube! Today we're going to do a review on the Flip7 for the Gopro Hero7. Today's episode, we'll watch the video and discuss about the effect of the filter at different depths at the Liberty Rec.
You can't wait on other people to be what you've been called to be. You can't wait on their affirmation. You can't wait on their approval. You can't wait on their support. Sometimes you just got to run and look behind you and say, everybody who wants to run, run, but I can't stop running because you're not running with me. Listen to me, hear me. You can't stop chasing your dream just because somebody in your life won't chase it with you. You can't stop believing in yourself just because somebody in your life won't believe in you. You can't stop chasing the dreams of your life just because when you do it, you're going to have to do it all by yourself.
Today we're going to do a review on the Flip7 for Gopro Hero7. At 3 meters and 5 meters, without filter, the color is okay. A little bit too orange with the 2050 filter. 7 meters, our diver without filter looks really blue. The subject actually looks better with the filter. The skin tone is much better. 9 meters, about the same. A little bit more colors, orange and reds. 11, looking up to the sun, it's too much red, but the color is not nice without the filter. 15 meters, definitely 2050 is the best option. 15 meters, once again, filter is nicer, but with the 50 it's too much red, same as 21 and even 25. When we're looking up, 25 is too much. 25 meters looking down though, the colors look much nicer and even the blue of the background looks better with the 50 plus filter. Look at this coral barrel with and without the filter. The difference is huge. Definitely 25 meters, not enough colors, but then again looking up, the filter makes it too red. 25 meters, even though the 50 plus filter should be the option, it seems that the 2050 is better because it doesn't bring too much red. At 25 meters, it's very electric. Looking down, 2050 is very nice. No filter is definitely too much green and not so nice. And then finally, with the 50 plus, it's too much red, orange. 23. The 2050 brings a little extra color that make it nicer. 20 meters, same thing, no filter. 2050 is the option. You can see it even better at 18 on the diver. When we take off the filter, it becomes all pale and greenish. In the chamber, 16, 2050 is also the best option, even though the camera can adjust pretty well. Especially on the diver, you can see the skin tone is much nicer, and also the blue of the background becomes a little bit more electric without the filter. 14 meters, same thing, a little bit better with the 2050. 9 meters on the Garden Hills, much nicer with the filter. Same as on the Sweet Lips, even though they're only at 9 meters. All of the colors get much nicer with the filter 2050. Beginning of the rec, same thing, and as well on the clownfish. The difference is not very high, but a little extra orange will probably help us a lot on post-production. In the next episode, we'll do color correction on Adobe Premiere, and then we'll see if it was better and easier to correct it with or without the filter. If you like the video, don't hesitate to put a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram.